everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Aduga ngasindi aise yam thuna yam sang dabida comments da yam toina hangba question kara answer taramge. Question ani se mainly I Australia da kamaina lakhibano and saida Australia da like se kamaina tamgani na. Adugi maramda ani se yam toina engonda comments lae ado ai khara khumjage aina Australia da lak pase yam nokninge ai thaina class 7 adaida kano geography yam pame dai din lien bo oina Australia ge map ka sum yenga le and Australia da leibe animals kai ka da sum ai National Geographic or Discovery Animal Planet kum bas yam yeng kan yam pame ba aduga Steve Irwin ga yam yenga me ba ise adudagi aina Australia da sum ngauzagi ba hai tare. And then moving on kona charakanda adagi di kona charakanda di university and school da di yumdai mapan su tok tok te larik ka paraga adum leibanina aduga kona adui matung da di graduate tawra matung da di sum realize tawre nipi gi life se kano manung da yam ba sum leiba mapan thok pa se unsafe oi yam India da di unsafe oi banina. So it's like we have to spend our life hiding inside to be safe aduga admaina sum tawdo aingoda soya phun bai type ta taweba adai sum charaga I realized that two things are very important to me in life. I gi core value ne ba mi khudima ki core value na laidana to me I ngonda akhai digi important oi base I just sayam nungsi ko cats dogs aduga atai zu loina nungsi. So I gi first love se adune and then second is like freedom. Ado these two things are very important to me. Ado sigi ani se dagi ama wala de ai dum nungaite ba kano quality of life se adum yamna compromise state ta leiye. So realizing that I decided to move to Australia. Aduga kano se one of the reasons for choosing Australia se kano sune says yam haina ba angkat lai ko fair go ana says the no one cares about your history kainta preference layoy partiality layoy as long as you are a hard worker nangi skills ka nangi hard work according nangi haidi prize to equally admaina dum phangni ba wanomba laite wanomba gumba jai haijam hainade I adum hainaroi na zu khaleba India da and then I wanted to succeed in life at a young age aduga India da di sum aina sum notice taw bada either promotions according to seniority or some type of vanomba tinaba khotpa admai taw de dum taw ne. So aduna so I moved over ne ba I wanted to be rewarded for my efforts early on. Ado says the settle down taw base it takes a long time, lots of effort moine every kind of step of the way adum whatever you can give to chuthok na padum hot na gani and test you in so many ways nang sai jan labor deserve taw brado and then you finally make it do yam ko inadum changeba. So practical advice, you have to be very strong mentally, emotionally and be ready for whatever. Ado I picture khar zu share tawre. First picture sina aiga aigi khoigi first hui dugane hira kawe ado asmaina picture pi ngai dege dum sa je pamam ne baise. See second picture sina right before medical university graduate to baine 2012 ta and then next picture sina 2014 gine sina masters in public health and health admin gi kano group project tawring da namina bane aigi group mates ka hojik ti moi suloina mapham da doctors or health organization da thabak tawre. And then this last picture sina finally I kano license exams ka clear tawra matung da thabak ka tawra kanda ne 2019 probably. Ado moving on student applications tala again. So you need to do a lot of research on your own. Aisu adum isana tawjarapane research ma'am do aina chatpagi sum thigat pada overseas educational services OES ana consultants ama laibane Delhi da sulaimne Bangalore da sulaimne moida consult tawba chatluiba moise kano kaimta paisa lauda bane no fees or anything akhoi side laiba university ma'am ga affiliated oi bane ba aduna they help you in the application process moina dum guide pibaneba. And then English exam to TOEFL gumbazu thagadamne, and you need to score like 7 or 8, something like that. Aduga universities aside yam yame kano University of Sydney, University of Melbourne, Monash, Letro, yam yame ba, and they all provide globally recognized certificates. Says the graduate auraga anywhere in the world adum work ta yam neba. It's not limited to just Australia. Hojiki OES to the hangaga college ki fair ke ka tawbane adudai da chatlaga prospectus ke ka yengbasu yamne moida sudum laibane prospectus, or akhwaidai laiba you can go to the university websites. University lo maki masagi website laidana. There you can check out your course. Adum courses haraga mayam lemneba, and there are so many types of courses. India daga laitaba mayam laibaneba, and courses to give fee structure and what will be taught ke kada loine ibane, plus scholarship opportunities ke kaso adum yaw baneba. So you need to figure out which university you want to go to, which place, and check every website. Admaina adai moi the email taroga sudum hang baya bane. There's people specifically hired to help new students or potential students. Aduna email taroga moina adum halakani ba. So sigumba research di adum tawzabatai, because it changes every year. Aduga aina graduate tawbadudi am kuireba, so sigumba sidi masana khara thigatpa am changeba. Once you are here, kaino tawe method of studying say or teaching say am different, or self learning da ya mana focus tarakani. So either way, research tawba se yamna tamchan ba phai kaigino da sida sula aga, that's going to be your main method of learning. Aduga kaino se by heart ki learning or exam system do saida adumai tawde, only a few subjects, maybe sometimes MCQ ga taroga tawbe, but other than that courses are mostly focused on critical thinking, problem solving, concept understanding, aduga kaya concept mayam do karida adapt tawba khotpado adugumba da workani ba. English haiba se yam important ne, research tawba haiba important ne, and what else kaigino da individual assignments yam tarakani plus group assignments tarakani, and group tawkanda nobody is going to do your work, you have to do your work. Adu miss haunarakani ba. Aduga paper mayam ga paraga adugi base da che amu I doine, aduga assignments sing sa adumaina tawe, aduga hek submit tawbaga paraphrasing kay ka haitaba yade, plagiarism tawbra khotbra do plagiarism alert ka percentage ka loina hek submit tawbaga calculate tarakani ba automatically kano duna take lay ba moigi system duna aduna adumainga sigumba sa haitaba yade. Other than that, in summary, application gi requirements etc. do every year dum change tawbani to university do da magi website to da chatlaga nang na apamba course to yengaga my individual adum loina iraga laibane ba, so you'll have to check that. And moving on to finances se hojik se inflation yamna tawriba matam ne. Cost of studying in Australia say depending on the course 20,000 to 40,000 per year laibane, and then on top of that first time payment to the you'll have to pay some amount for health insurance as well. 1 year gi health insurance piba kanam tawbane ba. But once you are here sigi se hojiki do ahamba gi semester gi di pulap thibane ba. Per year hai semester ani oidoine ba, adudai da semester amagi thibra kanam tawbani laktrangai da. And then once you are here, hojiki semester ge fees do installments that thibayam never for the people who have difficulty in paying a lot altogether. I so installment da dumai dum machi tora thigi ba their university kano mogi programs adum laibane ba wai sanaraga dum yabane. And then side once you come, you'll have to learn how to live within your means, budgeting phasana haitaba, aduga part-time job su tawgadaba mi loin tawbane moigi satra su tawi. And then whoever comes to study here, everyone does it. barista kay ka obi, like I've said before, hospitality industries mostly students neba swagi su masagi mi, and then overseas kilak pa miyamdo ay isa na su barista tabak tawre ahambada, and it was a lot of fun. Asisu skill lamne. I learned how to make really good coffee. Aduga hojik sa ay badum I've become a coffee addict. Tabak ta tilaw tiba yara oy. Sige se you have to put it in your head before coming. Aduga kano neba living expenses to adum rent kasi hojikan di miga laminar, so 400 to 500 per week. Dollars per week. $1 sina 54 rupees kanga admay mana baneba. So per week admay na, plus health insurance tirak pa, plus food expenses, plus commute tawbagi expenses. So shayda part-time job tawraga di yani, but it's not going to be all fun and games. You have to be really hardworking. I've seen and met a lot of people who think shayda mapanda yam tamaga yam nunga ining wala lifestyle se, but sidala aga pura kano se drastic difference le yam baduda paisa su manghale tamuraga ade loisan bazungamdre aduga hangi ba yam thengnare bai. Saying that, I don't mean to discourage anyone, just a reality check people gi waneba journey to the amwani, but and it'll take time, but once you make it, life is good. Hai tariko aduga once you graduate, most degrees moise kano tawbune ba 2 or 3 years of temporary visa pi baneba nogi opportunity to work and kano se learn things practically. Aduga aduda neba adumaina work ka taraga connections ka semaga mi laithanai se adumaina taraga neba. So is it worth it hayak pada? I think it is. Struggle period yam sangagasu, and then you will be challenged emotionally, physically, mentally, in every way possible, financially. Once you go through all of that, your personality will grow so much, because kanamta laitabida without any cheerleading, without so much as your childhood friends or family here, you will be struggling alone. Aduga sida neba pura grow tawdoise as a person kanada maida thadaraga thoglak pai type ta, and then you won't be afraid of anything because nobody can take your skills or that whatever you gained as a person, grow tawbado adudo, nobody can take that away from you. Aduga you'll become more confident, aduga you'll grow as a person, career so don't grow torakani. So I definitely think it's worth it. Ado mi masada su laire kanogi amakak laibane TED Talk amakak laibane success se kari da depend ta wene grit ta. Grit is a combination of the power of passion and perseverance. Passion ga hotnabado aduga neba repeatedly adum kanada nung mada ising na yeraga nung gi shape all up adumaina neba, but by the time you are done with everything, it'll be all worth it. Aduna personal journey di oire, but I definitely think that if you are really serious, you should give it a go. Aduga ngamni na dum khan gadam ne everything. So if you really want something, you should be ready to put your heart and soul into it. Aduneba aduga adum oya kaniba. So that's it. Aduga tanghay gitaw bane ngasige di sada dum loy salage. I hope it helps. So I'll see you next time. Bye guys.